Looking for the perfect packaging for your products? At GUKA Packaging, we believe the secret lies in the structure inside the box. Today, we'll guide you through choosing the right corrugated flute to protect, display, and elevate your brand. Corrugated packaging is one of the most widely used solutions for protecting and shipping products. From skincare and apparel to electronics and coffee, almost every industry relies on it. But what gives corrugated boxes their strength isn't just the paper, it's the flute, the wavy paper layer sandwiched inside. Choosing the right flute can mean the difference between your product arriving safely or being damaged. A corrugated flute chart shows the different types, thicknesses, and performance of fluted cardboard. Each type, F, E, B, and C, is measured by its thickness and the number of flutes per foot. These measurements determine cushioning, stacking strength, and print quality. Flutes can also be combined, like E, B, or B, C, to create stronger double wall boards, offering the best balance between protection and presentation. Here's a quick guide. F flute, 0.9 to 1.2 millimeters, compact and ideal for high-end retail packaging. E flute, 1.2 to 2.0 millimeters, excellent for print quality, used in cosmetics and gifts. B flute, 2.4 to 3.0 millimeters, versatile for canned goods, displays, and mailers. C flute, 3.5 to 4.0 millimeters, strong stacking strength, ideal for shipping cartons. For double wall boards, E, F flute balances thin profile and strength, perfect for luxury packaging. E, B flute combines strength with great aesthetics, used in retail and e-commerce. E, C flute is durable and printable, ideal for delicate bulk items. B, C flute is the strongest, designed for export, machinery, and heavy goods. Single wall boards have one layer of flute, lightweight and cost-effective. Double wall boards use 2 flute layers, offering better compression strength and durability. Triple wall boards have 3 flute layers, making them strong enough to replace wooden crates. When evaluating flute types, consider product fragility. Fragile glassware needs stronger boards like B, C. Shipping method. International requires double wall, local may use single wall. Branding, choose thin flutes like E or F for premium print quality. For double wall combos, F, E is perfect for luxury packaging like perfumes. E, B works for subscription boxes. E, C suits bulk fragile items, and B, C handles industrial exports. Corrugated has flutes for strength. Fiberboard is solid and rigid. E and F flutes use less paper and recycle more easily. Technically yes, but smoother flutes like E and F give the best results. For lightweight products or as inner packaging, for example, cosmetics inside a gift box. At GUKA Packaging, we guide you through material selection, structure design, and production. From chocolates to electronics, we help you choose the right flute, inserts, and finishes, ensuring your packaging is strong, beautiful, and reliable. The Corrugated Flute Chart isn't just technical, it's a strategic tool for smarter packaging decisions. Don't let packaging be an afterthought. Contact GUKA Packaging today and let us help elevate your brand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, save, and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep sharing more insights and tips on custom packaging to help your business grow.